They're off in the Flower Bowl. Zukova goes right out of there to take the lead. Grand Jeté goes with her. And just in behind them is Guilty 12 running in third. Then War Flag on the inside of Dacita. The early trailer is Bewley, and she is 6 lengths behind these dueling leaders, who are Grand Jeté and Zukova, moving for that turn. Grand Jeté shaking away 3/4 of a length. Zukova is right alongside of her, though, through that first quarter mile in 24.76 seconds. And then comes War Flag third, just in behind the leaders. Guilty 12 follows in fourth. Dacita's fifth, and she's backed off 6 lengths from the pace setters. Bewley is last of them all. So they move on to the backstretch here. Grand Jeté doing a running on the lead here under Javier Castellano, pressed along by Patrick Smullen and Zukova on the outside. These two head up the backstretch through a 49.24 half mile. And then it's War Flag, and she's 3 lengths behind right now, tracked by Guilty 12. Dacita, 6.5 lengths off the lead right now, and Bewley is last of these 6 runners here. So it's Grand Jeté in front, continuing to be pushed along by Zukova, racing for the far turn, 3/4 up in a solid 1:12.6 seconds. War Flag is third, and she's just 2 lengths behind. Then Guilty 12, Dacita is on her outside, and Bewley around the far turn. Grand Jeté and Zukova have been 1-2 throughout. And now Jose Ortiz is sending War Flag after them with a 3-wide bid, and Dacita's right behind her, and she's closing in. She's going to come 4 wide for the stretch drive, and then Guilty 12 on the inside. Zukova has given way here. Grand Jeté is the leader. War Flag on the outside, trying to come on as Dacita. Bewley's down the middle, and then Guilty 12 on the inside. Grand Jeté, War Flag, Dacita coming down to the wire. They're coming to the finish, and it's going to be War Flag in the Flower Bowl.